Hey folks, it's Danielle with For Patriots, and we've got an incredible sweepstakes opportunity for you in preparation for Memorial Day, and to thank all of you for your loyalty and support during a really challenging time for all of us. Folks, this is amazing news. It's a way to ensure you're prepared, self-reliant, and at peace, even in troubling times, and you can do it for free. That's right, if you're the lucky winner of our Memorial Day prize pack, you'll bring home both our hottest new solar power solution, the Patriot Power Sidekick, and you'll get your hands on one of our most popular survival food solutions of all time, finally back after more than a year, and new and improved, more variety, 8 new recipes, and more satisfying and filling survival food calories than ever before. Yeah, you get both a sidekick and our all-new 3-month survival food kit, a total prize value of $1,611, and it couldn't be easier to throw your hat in the ring. No fine print, nothing to buy. We'll even ship it all to your home on us. All you need is a little luck, and you'll get it all. 3 months worth of delicious food and a powerful, portable, solar-powered blackout protector. It takes just seconds to enter. Just follow the link in the description below to sign up for our 4 Patriots Text Club. You'll be part of a select group getting advance notice of our special holiday events, new product introductions, and back-in-stock announcements of our most popular and often sold out survival items. And you'll be automatically entered to win this amazing bundle. It's that easy. Speaking of sold out, our 3-month survival food kit used to be our flagship, filled with delicious recipes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, all good for up to 25 years, all easy to prepare, all sustaining and hearty, packed in space-age Mylar for freshness, and delivered in sturdy, covert, and stackable totes, so it's easy to store, easy to move, easy to protect. That is, it used to be. Then we ran into COVID madness, and every last kit went poof. And while we could have rushed to get the 3-month kit back sooner, we decided that once the cupboards were bare, it was the perfect time to bring it back, but better. So we went to work, and the result is the all-new 3-month kit with amazing new recipes, more variety, more calories. So if you need to rely on our 3-month kit to put food on the table, it's more filling and never boring. With this incredible sweepstakes, you're getting exclusive access before anyone else and free to boot. It's not too shabby. We expect a big run on these new kits, but we've got yours reserved if you're the lucky winner. And you're going to love the new recipes, from Italian favorites to creamy desserts, and even drinks to wash it all down too. The new and improved 3-month kit weighs in with a total of 688 servings and over 135,000 calories. So if you win, you'll be grabbing a whole bunch of food and feeling both lucky and full. Plus, with this Memorial Day prize package, you'll also be well prepared with power, whether you're dealing with a blackout or you have plans to go camping with a little flair this summer. Because the Patriot Power Sidekick weighs in at only about 8 pounds, but packs a powerful 300-watt punch. So all your critical devices stay up, fully juiced, whether that means important medical units or your phone and laptop at home, or just a little mood lighting at the campsite. And your free sidekick also includes this 40-watt foldable solar panel, which pairs perfectly to power up your unit using only the free power of the sun, or it works well on its own. You can plug USB power devices right into it. No sidekick required. Remember, all the details on how to enter this amazing Memorial Day sweepstakes are below. There's even bonus ways to enter too, so be sure to check it out and get your entry in before we pick the winner. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more sweepstakes just like this one. Will it be you who walks away a winner? You've got to enter to win, so get to it. And good luck!